Hey guys, today I just wanted to do something a little bit different and I want to walk you through my house, literally, and show you what it takes to get your floor plans ready so you can start designing your house. So let's jump into it. Here's the living room. What's up, you guys? So I just walked you through my guest house and I'm basically starting from scratch, right? So this house is old. I don't have any blueprints. I don't have any like mock-ups of the house. So I'm gonna go through this first time with you guys. I thought it'd be kind of fun to show you guys. So basically what I have to do is I start from a clean slate. I have to get some kind of floor plan with all the measurements and whatnot so I can meet with architects, builders, designers, and really map out the place before I just start ripping walls down, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the place, I'm gonna take a bunch of photos of every single door, window, entryway, ceiling, the floor, etc. And basically just kind of map it out, write some measurements. Then I'm gonna jump into Fiverr. Never used it before, so I'm gonna try to see if I can find somebody that specializes in making floor plans and then show them what I have. Hopefully they can make me a floor plan, and then that way I can start working on the design process, right? Can't really do anything without knowing exactly what I have to work with. So, all right guys, let's jump into the computer. First, I just kind of want to go over the photos. So as you can see here, I just took some pretty basic photos and we can go through each one of these. This is the main room that is the master room now. And you can see I just measured the height of the wall, the doors. So we can kind of just go through this and get an idea. But this, as of right now, is the master bedroom. So I have these windows I got to work with. That's the front door I'm working with. Do I want to knock down this wall over here? Not quite sure. This is the bathroom that's right on where the master is now. You can see I definitely want to rip all this shower out. It's really old and dated. Put a new toilet in, possibly add some new floors, but I do like the floors. Maybe a double sink. So really trying to figure out my plan. So right now, also this is the garage. You can see there's a water heater right here. So I would like to put this water heater outside. Also, the garage does not have a stain on the floor, so I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with the stain. The garage door is also on the opposite side because I'm thinking I want to open up this window where you can see the little pops going. This is the door that goes back into the master, and this goes out to the main house. So you can see there's really not much privacy if I leave this garage door open. So you can see right here, it doesn't give much privacy if I were to leave this open. This is the main house, so maybe I can block it off with landscaping or whatnot. So the canvas is completely blank and I'm actually a little stumped on what I'm going to do. So now let's jump over to Fiverr. Fiverr is a great site, you guys. It's not sponsored, I don't get paid by these guys whatsoever. I'm not even remotely that cool yet. But Fiverr, you can basically come on here and search what you're looking for. So I found this guy, and this is basically what I need. I need to find a simple blueprint for my house, and I figured this guy would be able to help me out, right? And get some kind of layout going. I ended up hiring this guy, and he ended up completing the full blueprints of the house of how it is now. So you can kind of see, this is where the bathroom was, this is the closet, this is the master as of now, and the garage as of now. So now at least I have all the specs to work with. Now I can start working on my design. And I went ahead, since I didn't have anything for the master house, the main house, I don't know why I said master, but main house, I went ahead and had him fully spec out the main house as well. As you can see, the 2 bedrooms, kitchen, dining area, living space, common bathroom. This is a double-sided garage, so both of these doors actually open, which is pretty cool. This is the master. Not a big fan of the master bathroom layout, so that's something I want to work on. This wall right here on both sides drives me nuts. I kind of want to gut that out. And then he also put together, I think, which is really cool, kind of like the color of my floor layout, so you can kind of get a better feel of what this place looks like. So then what I did is I reached out to him and I said, look, I really want to focus on the guest house first, and there's a few things on the main house that I would like to do right away. So I reached out to him and I actually found some ideas and some inspiration, you know, via Instagram, following on everybody. So right here, this is the first draft of some of my ideas that I would like to do with the guest house. So I have to keep in mind that I could live in this guest house part-time, but it's really focused towards Airbnb and rental. I'm hoping the guest house will produce enough money for me to pay for the entire mortgage and everything on both of my houses and put some money in my pocket, right? So maybe this would possibly be the kitchen. This could still be the front door entry. This would be the master with a living, you know, little living space. Right now he has a glass wall here. I'm possibly thinking about doing an outdoor shower. I think it would give a lot of privacy, make it really cool. Double sinks. But right now he didn't put a shower inside also. So I gotta kind of figure out how that. So you can get a better idea from the digital color picture, I guess. So as you can see, here's the kitchen. So I think this is a really good start. This is something he mocked up with my input. I just sent him an email kind of saying, you know, what I was thinking. I'm not 100% sold on this layout. I don't know if I want the full open concept completely. Part of me wants to keep a wall here. So there's a lot of back and forth still, but this is still phase one. All right, so then I went and met with him again. This is all over Fiverr, over the internet. It's pretty nuts. My other architect friend, Ted, came out and took a look at it. He's in the process of designing something right now also, but I figured I would kind of just get the ball rolling a little bit more, right? You know? So you can see, we went ahead and closed this off right here and added a door, because I think the front door here might be a better idea than keeping the front door over here. I went ahead and tried the master bedroom here. That way this is more private, and close this wall off. As you can see, I rechanged the bathroom, tried to do the bathroom with a shower here, but then also have an option with an outdoor shower, and you just walk out this window right here, or a glass door. Then I decided to add the kitchen in this room. Have maybe a giant kitchen, you can put a TV on this wall, and then this goes right out to the patio. Kind of liking it. And then I think I would add, there's no window right here above the kitchen, so definitely would want to put a window there. I definitely like to see some windows here and here on this side wall. And now that I see this is all, it's not a brick wall, it's all landscape wall. So I think what I could do is add a large window here. That's where the garage was, and maybe open this up now because of the landscaping. That might actually work. Then I went ahead and started mocking some stuff for the main house, you know, because there's some things on the main house I would like to do. So right here I decided to add an outdoor barbecue. So out here you can see I'm adding an outdoor barbecue pit with a terrace that goes over, a little outdoor table. And then right here is where I really was trying to focus. When I say right here, I mean the patio. I think I'm gonna try to do a built-in patio furniture, a little fireplace here, and then some dining room area, eating, you know, so you can sit outside. Add some misters, and I went ahead and opened up this wall right here also. So, and then you can see in this room, what I went ahead and did is made this wall completely flat. It was driving me nuts. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. That way I can put a TV right smack in the center and make the flow of this room a lot better. Here's another angle of that setup. Gives you guys kind of an idea. So hopefully you guys like that right now. If you want to see more of these, just write down in the comments. Let me know if you like seeing this part of the process of me like designing it, going back and forth. I still have one more design coming from my architect friend. We're gonna kind of go off this. Hopefully I can show you guys the final product and we can start remodeling it. So if this is something you want to see more of, just give me a like and write in the comments if you like this kind of stuff.